Hello ladies and gentlemen, T-Sticks here and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're a first time watcher, please like, share, subscribe to this channel so you'll be notified when new content is uploaded. Right now with everything off, all appliances, turned off, you can kind of hear when someone leaves their apartment door, so forth and so on. So I know for a fact the drums will be loud and the volume will carry. With that said, I have a surprise for you and I'm very excited about it. Quick story about it. I am so upset with myself that it took me this long to think about it and come up with this idea, because I've been trying to play drums in apartment complexes for a long time, for years. And yes, I've had security called and all kind of stuff, but a drum shield. And I'm not just talking about any drum shield, not the little, pieces of plastic that sit in front that semi-cover your kit. But I'm talking about the Clear Sonic Mega Mini. It does a 360, literally all the way around. So without further ado, let's get this thing started, and I'm gonna try to figure out how to put this together because I found it on Facebook Marketplace. No instructions, so just wanted to show you all the ventilation system. So that's blowing out. And personal fan. And then this is the fan in. Well, ladies and gentlemen, here you have it. The Clear Sonic Mega Mini. A lot larger than I thought, and very satisfied so far. So you're gonna have to hang tight for that sound test. It is currently 2:45 a.m. So I'm gonna try not to disturb the neighbors, but in due time. So check back for the next video. But thank you for watching. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. If you're old to the channel, thank you. And stay blessed. T-Sticks out.